Hello and welcome to Power to You. I'm Karishma Sahuji and I'm here to show you how you can build single page applications using PowerApps containers. So let's begin. So what we are trying to achieve here is many of the projects have requirement where there are multiple forms and you build multiple screens for them, which is really tedious and clumsy to maintain and develop or make any kind of code changes afterwards. So what we are going to do is build a single page application using Power Apps containers, as I said. So we have these two tabs here, which are working. So travel requests will take you to one form and expense tracker will take you to another. So in the background, I have two SharePoint lists, expense tracker and travel requests from where the data is coming from for each of the forms. And if you see here, it's a single screen. I have no other screens here. Everything is on single screen and we have two different forms. So let's begin and see how it is made. Okay, so now we are into Power Apps and I am getting a new screen and choosing this layout. Okay. And now what we are going to do here is add two buttons on the sidebar, which will control the content in our main section container. So let's start by adding two buttons. Insert button by selecting the container and I have renamed it as expense tracker and I'm adding another button which is travel requests. And in the main section, what I'm doing is going to add a new form. So this is a new form and the data source is expense tracker. Okay, and let's delete the unwanted fields. Okay, and now on expense tracker button, what we are gonna write is very simple. That is set. I'm taking a variable that is set form 1 visibility and I'm setting it to true. Also, I'm adding another variable that is form2 visibility and I'm setting it to false. So now what we are going to do is this is our form 1 and we are going to select the visible property which is by default set to true and change it to form 1 visibility. So based on our button, it will be either visible or hidden. And on the travel request, same thing. Setting set form 1 visibility, comma false. And now I want form 2 to be displayed, so form 1 should be disabled and set. Oh, sorry. Okay. And now I'm adding form 2 here. That is again selecting a form and assigning travel requests. Okay. Delete the fields which you don't want and visible property, we will again change it to form to visibility. Also, the form two should be the new form. Yep. So it's working, and this is how we do it. And you can add all sorts of designs and controls as I've done. You can add the buttons. You don't need to hide and show the buttons. You can just change the code based on whatever form is visible. So you can just check if what variable is visible, and based on that, you can change it. Yes, so that's it. Power to you. Thank you. Thank you for attending.